A website is like a business card. It is often the first point of contact or impression that you're leaving on someone. And is that website going to give a good first impression? My dad, he always talked to me about the importance of how are you dressed when you leave the house, because that says something about you. And we know this for Agent CRM as we serve our agents as users, that you need high quality content to establish credibility, build trust, and convert leads to clients. That's why the new Agent CRM Branning Bundles come included with some high quality, super professional looking websites, and we're going to demo that on this video today. If you're an Agent CRM user, these are free and included. It's not just websites, it's a whole suite of business automation tools. We're specifically diving in today to the websites. Now, whatever product, you can see more are coming as of this video. Every week we're launching new bundles, but we're going to do the ACA bundle today as a demo. High conversion websites, that's what we're looking through right now. Inside of Agent CRM, on the bottom left, currently you can find click and play assets. Little red dot there to tell you new things are being added. So check this out. Let's import the ACA package here into our account. You'll notice a little spinning wheel. It will say we'll send you a notification. Just assume it happens in 2 minutes. It's real quick. I'm going to go over there now. You can see I've got some content from previous work that we've done. We've got all sorts of pre-made templates, but these new ones I am especially proud of. So let's go here. All right, check that out. That was about 25 seconds roughly. ACA bundle. This is the one we're looking into itself. Every single bundle, every single website will come with multiple steps. There are slight differences if you are Medicare or ACA. We understand that the compliance and open enrollment unique natures of these products require a few extra things, but every single one will come with homepage, calendar, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and document upload. And you'll notice some slight differences based on the product. Let's look at that site together. So I'm just going to view what does the actual website look like. This is Harry's Insurance. Harry Seldon is serving people and he's informing and telling them about the Affordable Care Act. Check this out, quotes, information, and more. Harry Seldon has his bio there. How does he help people as an intergalactic agent? But this whole website, including animations, copy, check it out, cute little hover effects. All of these little details help to present you in the best light. Someone coming to this page who can see your NPN number, your information, your credibility. You've got some testimonials that show, hey, Harry, he's a legit dude. He actually helps people. Here's some proof of that. He's put so much work into this website. No, he hasn't. This was from Agent CRM. The point is, we're giving these websites to you completely ready to go. Very minimal editing, if any, required. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. I'm going to show you how simple it is to edit these websites and make them your own. One last thing I'm particularly proud of, so I will just refresh and do it again. Whew. You see that shimmer? I'm going to do it one more time. I'm geeking out. Me and Shaw, some of the guys on the development team, just draws attention to that schedule a call button. If you click it, it is going to lead to a schedule a call page. If you have the account set up, your calendar will appear here right away. That's one of the few pieces that you need to add yourself to the calendar and switch it on, and then you'll have a booking appointment here. So you've got multiple pages. Let's just go down and show you the document upload. And then I'm going to edit it for you and show you what does it look like to put your own brand, your own colors, your own content in here using the new Agent CRM customizer. But in terms of document uploads, what is this? This is a great place just to showcase, hey, let's punch in a name. This is the client name. As soon as they punch in an email, all of a sudden, any of the documents that you might require, especially for ACA and Medicare, will appear. But this can be fully customized for any other documents that you need for your clients as well. cute little animations. It just feels professional. It feels like when you put this out in the world, someone who lands on this page can feel like, yo, Harry, he's got his stuff together. It looks like he put a ton of work into his website. No, he didn't. Again, this is helping you put your best foot forward with free Agent CRM assets. Now, you are not Harry, of course, and there's all these mentions of his name and all these things that's not you. Well, let's go through an example of customizing this to your specific brand. Inside of Agent CRM, on the top left, you'll see a button that says Agent CRM Account Customizer. Let's go through that together. What we're doing here is filling in a form that's updating a piece of code known as a custom value. Custom value, you can change the answer, and anywhere that custom value is referenced, I'm getting a little nerdy here. Don't worry if you're not completely following me. You'll see in a moment. But let's say instead of Harry's Insurance, this is Homer's Insurance Group. All right, I'm going to leave most of the things because I just want to show some main ways to illustrate the power of this. Homer Simpson, definitely a trustworthy guy for health insurance, life insurance. Let's call him Agent Extraordinaire. Maybe you want to have a certain title or way. Did not spell that right at all. I'm not going to change the bio just for the sake of time for this video, but you get the point. If I change it here, it will change the answer. You'll see that in a moment with the other features. Let's choose a different file here. I've got a profile picture of Homer. I select the file and then I click upload. There's my new profile picture. NPN number, you can throw that in there. Hit next. Let's go down here. I'll do the logo first. Choose file. Again, click on the file, then click upload. Homer's Insurance Group, super fun. Now, I want to match the brand colors. Now, I've got yellow in this logo. Many of you who have logos, maybe you've got a main and a different color. So let's just see, how can I find those colors? Whether it's an RGBA or a hex color, you don't really need to know too much other than there is a tool here for you. Find your brand hex colors based on your logo or image. Click here. This is another website. We have nothing to do with this, but this is a handy tool. What you're going to do is use your image. So let's click that. Browse or drop your image. Let's choose the profile picture because I actually want to know, what is that blue? That's a nice blue as well. We'll take the yellow. You kind of find your way, click. You can copy with the little two buttons here, FCDB00. Every single color that exists has a hex code corresponding. We're going to copy that and go back into the other tab. And sometimes you want to play around with this. I'm going to tell you right now that I'm pretty sure the CTA will be the best place for it. Although yellow is maybe a little bit too bright. You're going to find that out in a second. Let's take that blue, grab that, 22CAEF. Let's punch that in to the main. And if I select differently, sometimes it refreshes a little bit later. And you know, I might even just drag this down. I know already that a slightly darker yellow is going to be a bit better against the thing. I'll show you what that looks like. We're going to hit next. And that is enough for the demonstration purposes. I could show you here testimonials, same place. All you're going to do is fill in a different name. If you guys have better testimonials than you had last year, every few months you want to be collecting the best testimonials possible because this helps encourage other people. Harry or Homer are people that can take action. You can take action with because you can trust them. Now remember, this was Harry's Insurance before. All I did was change the form. I uploaded a new logo. I swapped out the name. I'm just going to hit refresh. And just like a magic trick here, Homer's Insurance Group at the top. There's that blue and that yellow. You see the yellow and white. It just, you got to fiddle around with it a little bit, but top right, the baby blue. And look at that. There's Homer. I uploaded the profile somewhere else. Didn't even have to touch the coding, didn't have to touch the website. All I do is just fill in the form anytime I want to make changes. Now you can see this is still Harry's. We didn't update that. But all of these different sections are now rebranded with Homer's Insurance Group information. Check that out. Every single page. That yellow is definitely a little sickly. Not sure that was the best choice after all, but you get the idea. Calendar page. Let's go to the document upload. Boom, check that out. I'm not happy at all with that yellow. So all I'm just going to do is go back and, you know what, let's pick the original yellow. I was trying to be smart. Probably still would do a different one next time. But the yellow here, let's punch that in. There we go. Next. And then I'm just going to hit refresh. There we go. You can see why I tried to make it a little darker. The white and yellow, not the best choice, but everything is fully customizable. If I want to switch the blue and the yellow in direction, I just switch where I put those codes in. And I want to show you how simple it is to make this fully built out website your own without having to spend too much time. I've done this all and talked through it in about 10 minutes. You could probably do it in 5. So hope that is just a huge add to you as a business to be able to put something like this out in the world, send clients, send leads here, capture their information, and push them into a calendar appointment. Privacy policy, I'll show you that quickly. This is just a regulation requirement for marketing. So we have some professional stuff written and included. You can see even the name was thrown into there. We've woven it in using those custom values. So all of this is good to go. Every asset inside of Agent CRM, completely modified. Check that out. Even the yellow on the icons. It feels legitimate. It feels professional with minimal work. Logo is incorporated in different places. In another video, I'm going to show you what the emails look like, because just like what I did here with the website, every single piece of content that exists inside of an Agent CRM branding bundle is instantly modified through that form. We have some professional looking emails that our copywriters have put work into so that you don't have to think about setting up anything else in the system. Sure, fiddle around with it if you want, modify, but what we've put effort and thought into, we present to you with confidence and are excited to see how do you make this your own. I'd love to hear if you're in the Facebook group for Agent CRM. Share us a link with your website. You can now purchase domains inside of Agent CRM itself. So if you've never purchased a domain before, this is something that is super quick and easy to do inside of settings. Last thing I will show you here, going down to domains. Purchase a domain. Check it out. Homer's Insurance. And for roughly $20 a year, you can type in and try different combinations. .com website, roughly $20 per year. I think this is pretty standard across domain registrars. So super happy with the rates that we were able to get directly into the system. If this is your first website, I'm so excited for you to have a new level of authority in your business. If you already have a website, I'm hoping that we have just taken you to the next level. Thank you for watching. And if you are not an Agent CRM user, there is a 2-week free trial. You can play around with the customizer yourself, agent-crm.com. We would love to have you and help you scale and grow your business through some of these cutting edge and streamlined solutions. This is Will Winter, Operations Manager of Agent CRM. Bye for now.